cold, cough, fever, and you immediately take an antibiotic? Stop. It may not help. Most common colds and flu are caused by viruses, not bacteria. Viruses and bacteria are structurally different. Antibiotics work by attacking bacterial cell walls or their metabolic machinery, but viruses don't have those structures. Taking antibiotics for a viral infection is like using a key for a door that doesn't even have a lock. You're not killing the virus. You're increasing side effects and contributing to antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance means bacteria no longer respond to antibiotics. This makes infections harder to treat. Use antibiotics only when prescribed for bacterial infections.